Hello there, my name is Morgan Berg. I'm originally from Kansas City, Missouri. I'm actually very excited to be here. I've always wanted to go back to school. It just didn't seem like the right time. Now that I'm here, it feels a little surreal. I'm in a position where I do have time and I can focus on my studies. So I am beyond thrilled. Um, Although I do have some insecurities about it being virtual, I feel like as long as I stay organized and I do set aside the time to get things done, I'll be okay. Um, but yeah, there's always going to be those anxieties just from it being something new and not something I'm not exactly used to it quite yet. I'm But anyways, like I said before, I'm mostly excited and I am motivated to be here and to get my goals accomplished. And so hopefully everyone else is feeling the same way I am, and we can all get through this together.